Okay, guys. Hey, look, I've got a Maple Chase thermostat, and if you can see there, it says low, and that's saying low battery. So right now, the thermostat's not going to work. It's in the middle of the summer, and we'll certainly want this to work, so we're going to have to replace the batteries. So what you do, this was on cool. You switch this to off, and always have your fan on auto. So we take that cover off. Right here you got some 1.5 volt AA batteries. You take those out. You put the fresh ones in. And then you're going to come over here. Once those are in, you're going to press and hold down this black button for about 15-20 seconds. Okay, and then release that, and now it's returned back to its settings. Put the cover back on. Hit this back to cool. And now we're going to set the time. Program set. And we're going to set what time it is, which is right now around 11:30. Oh, we're going to go back. We're going to go up. Let's see here. We can get this to... Here we go. Okay. Okay, so too fast. All right, there we go. Now set, and the 1 is for the day of the week, and so let's see, this is Sunday, so that's actually going to be a 7. There we go, set. And now the temperature, we're going to want the temperature, always comes on at 1. And now we've got the cooling. We're going to set the cooling for at 78 degrees. And right now it's 76 in here. So we are ready. It's all ready to go and all reprogrammed.